Properties of charges. Charges are additive, charges are conserved, charges are quantized, like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. First property, charges are additive. That means total charge is the sum of individual charges. If Q1, Q2, Q3, etc. are the charges, then the total charge Q is given by the algebraic sum of all these charges. That is Q equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus etc. up to Qn. Then the next property, that is charges are conserved. That means charge transfer obeys conservation law. That is charges lost by a body is equal to charges gained by another body. So total number of charges remain the same. That is conservation law. Then next property is charges are quantized. According to quantization principle, any charge on a body is an integral multiple of a basic unit of charge. This basic unit of charge is the charge of an electron, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. The unit of charge is coulomb, and the quantization principle is given by the equation Q equal to plus or minus Ne, where N is an integer equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Q, that is the charge on the given body, and N is an integer. Then next is Coulombs law. According to Coulombs law, the force of interaction between 2 point charges is directly proportional to the product of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the two charges. If Q1, Q2 are the 2 point charges separated by a distance r, then force F is directly proportional to Q1, Q2 and inversely proportional to r square. So, the proportionality is replaced by the constant 1 by 4 pi epsilon. So, the equation for F becomes F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square, where epsilon is the proportionality constant, which is the permittivity of the medium, and it depends on the nature of the medium. If the medium is air, F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square, where epsilon 0 is the permittivity of air. The constant 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 has the value 9 into 10 raised to 9. Then in Coulomb's law, we have to study the relation between F air and F medium, and by a simple derivation we can prove that F air is equal to epsilon r times F medium, or F air by F medium is equal to epsilon r, which is a constant. Now, relative permittivity is the ratio between permittivity of the medium and permittivity of free space. That is, epsilon r is equal to epsilon by epsilon 0. From this equation, epsilon is equal to epsilon 0 epsilon r. Substituting in the equation of F medium, we get F medium is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 epsilon r Q1 Q2 by R square.